Twisted Builds update. So it's been a bit. Yeah, this is becoming a theme. I don't like it being this way. I need to pump out more videos. I've just been busy and I've been putting it off. So it's no one's fault but my own. And I do apologize for how long it's been since I posted anything. But I'm getting back to it, and got some parts that came in I want to talk to you guys about because I haven't made a video about those yet. I mean, I have, but I haven't. And also something else that was exciting. So first off, Mozer Made. Matt Mozer of Mozer Made. I've talked to you about it, or him in my previous videos. He has a plasma table, CNC plasma table. It makes awesome brackets. So this is S10 brackets that he made up for me, and you can see it's my design. I'm having him cut them out of plate and then shipping them to me. But that is a upper shock mount. So that's just one piece of it. So pretty much you got the plate, and then you'll have the tube. Guess that's better, maybe. You'll have the tube running up kind of the middle between the plates, which will give me more than enough surface area to weld the top of the plate here to the tube. And I'll be showing you guys that whenever I do it. I actually think I'm going to just start putting the camera up on the tripod and start doing things. I need to get out of the habit of just taking update videos and actually showing you some of the stuff I'm doing, and that way you can comment when I'm doing it wrong. So, because I'm not a professional welder. Never taken a course in my life. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong, but I've never had a weld break on anything I've built, and this is for fun. So, but yeah, so Mozer Made. If you need any kind of brackets done, I have been making everything in Fusion 360, and all my designs. And he takes the DXF files, just tell him if it's in inches or millimeters, and he's able to put it into his CNC plasma table and cut out plate. So I don't remember how thick of plate he can do, but you can contact him. He's got a Facebook page, Mozer Made. That's probably the best way to get a hold of him. But yeah, he made those brackets, and then the lower, same deal for the lower shock brackets. So axle these will go around the axle, and yes, I know it's kind of thin, but it's like that on purpose. My plan is to do this. So I'm gonna put one of these down. You know the other one's there, but same deal. That'll go around the axle, get welded to the axle. That'll get welded to it and have 3 height settings. And I'm also thinking if I need more height adjustability, I can make a bolt on plate, like put 2 bolt holes through it, bolt it there, and go down. So this will be, like, I figured out when I was designing everything and measuring everything, I wanted to be able to put it at factory height and up to 2-inch drop, I believe. So factory height, sorry, 1-inch drop, 2-inch drop. So yeah, well, I'm not dropping it very far, and that also isn't including my coilovers that the height's adjustable on as well. So I should be able to get the right height right where I want it. So again, but look at them, they're awesome. I mean, I cannot thank Matt Mozer of Mozer Made enough, because look at that. Nice clean cuts, no sharp edges. I don't know if he's deburring them or not. It doesn't look like he is. I mean, I don't see any grinding marks. It's literally, it seems like he might be cleaning them up maybe, or just like not with any kind of, you know, grinder or anything, but like maybe some solution or something, I'm not sure. And then shipping them out to me. So thank you, Matt. And I'm going to be getting more from you soon. I've got to get my, I got to get these in first so I can figure out space. And then I'm going to start designing. I really want to go Watts Link with this thing. So I'm going to be reaching out to Out of Hand Fabrication. He's the one that I've been getting my tube from, and the rod ends and everything. I'm going to reach out to him. I want to get probably more tube, because I need more tube to do the Watts Link, and then rod ends and stuff, so I can figure that out and just figure out what's kind of how I want to do it. The next awesome thing, I got a product sponsorship, I would say, if you want to call it that. They want me to review this, pretty much. And they didn't tell me how, like, any kind of input. So, I got reached out to by a person over at Super Clean. A lot of you probably heard of Super Clean. I've actually used their products before. I do like them. I've used Super Clean products before, and to the people at Super Clean who are going to watch this video, I haven't done a lot of product, like this is the first one, product reviews, but They reached out to me. I'll be honest. At first, I thought it was fraudulent. I didn't think it was a real, but they shipped everything out to me. So they gave me a nice big old shirt, which I'll wear in one of my videos whenever I do the actual review. And a nice camo hat. I'm a country boy, so camo's really up my alley. Then they got me. Let's go over everything they got me here. So they got me an aerosol spray can of Super Clean. So I think I'm gonna try all this stuff out and see which one I like better, because I'm sure there's probably I don't know, a better out of all their products, there's probably one that works really, really well. We're gonna find out. I don't know if this is foaming. I think there's one in here that's foaming. So, but yes, an aerosol can of Super Clean, which I'm gonna try that out. I've got a cylinder. I got a couple cylinder heads for the LS stuff I need to clean up, so I think I'm gonna try it on that. We got the regular Super Clean. I've used this before. It works really well. The Super Clean Foaming, that's the one. So Super Clean Foaming, and apparently my camera's turning this blue. Maybe it's actually a purple bottle, but dissolves the grease, super easy, super fast. And I know there's probably a dilution chart or a dilution part of it that's on this chart right here. So I'll be going over an actual video of all this stuff when I'm using it, but figured I'd just let you guys know I got reached out to them, and it was really cool that they sent me this stuff. Also, Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. So I don't really have anything to use this on except for my wife's RAV4. I have her in a 2018 Toyota RAV4. So we're probably gonna try it on that, because let's get honest, the Firebird rims don't need this. maybe some S10 wheels or something, but my wife's RAV4 would be nice to use this on, so I'm going to use that on that, see how it works. And then they also sent me the floor absorbent. That's going to be cool to see. I've never actually used their floor absorbent before. I don't know if it's new or not. I'm sorry, I should have researched this a little bit, but yeah, so I'm going to use this, figure out how well it works, and I'm going to try to get it all on video for you guys, that way you can see. And then they sent me spray bottle nozzles for the bottles themselves. But let me get all this back in the box. So yeah, I was floored. She emailed me. It actually went into my spam folder when I first got the email. I was going through my spam folder and deleting, because I always like to check the spam folder every now and then, because actually I get emails from customers that somehow wind up in the spam folder. And I like to go through there before I delete everything, and her email was in there. So I reached out to her thinking it was fraudulent, and yeah, she got my mailing address and shipped me all this stuff. The 6.2 going in the S10, I'm probably going to start digging into that soon. I actually have some new ideas I want to try with that. So because of that, I'm going to set this back over here. Because of that, I'll be using their cleaners and stuff to clean up the motor. The motor's actually in pretty decent shape. It's not super clean. It had super clean. It had oil leaks and I think an antifreeze leak and stuff. So, which is all stuff I'm gonna have to fix anyway. So I'll be able to use that to get it super clean. Sorry. Okay, guys. I guess that's everything. Again, Mozer Made. If you are looking for custom brackets, I believe he can design them. I've been designing them myself. Just reach out to him. Mozer Made, if you're looking for anything custom. Awesome. Good pricing. Obviously everything's custom pricing because of what you're doing. So you're gonna if you want a quote, you gotta reach out to him, let him know what you're doing, kind of maybe send him a DXF or whatever, and then he can quote you out what it's gonna cost. So, but all the pricing I've dealt with him has been very, very reasonable, and I'm very, very impressed with the quality. Out of every piece, I think I've had to enlarge a single hole in a bracket, and I had to Dremel one little area, but that was my own fault. So, because I had the wrong dimensions in Fusion. But besides for that, and that's literally those were my faults. So everything else has been perfect. Great company to deal with. Matt's awesome to deal with. So if you're looking for any kind of custom bracketry or anything done, I know he makes grills and stuff too. Reach out to him, Matt Mozer Made. And then Super Clean, as I said, you'll be seeing me use their products that they sent me. I'm gonna try to start pumping out more videos, so more content for you guys, just how I do things. Probably wrong. I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments, but yeah, how I've been doing things, how I'm building the S10, because I know I should have taken more video while I was building the reverse suspension I am. So I want to at least finish up by taking some video and maybe some describing of how I'm doing things and why I'm doing them the way I'm doing them. And then the front, the engine, stuff like that. So I'm going to try to start pumping out more videos on this channel. So stay tuned. I know I've said that a few times. I'm actually working on doing it. It's just been a busy last couple of months. So, but I'm finally getting to the point where I think I got everything kind of ironed out and ready to roll. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great one, and bye.